Hello, friends. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, a housewife lifestyle decorating on a budget. Now, this is your kind of content. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, today I am very late. I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. And this collaboration is entitled the Winter Christmas Coffee Bar Beverage Bar Collab. And it is hosted by a dear friend of mine, Kimberly, at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. And her co host is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, I know I'm late, but I wanted to do it anyway. So I'm decorating my coffee station, so I'm taking you along. Hope you'll enjoy it. And let me know down below what you think of my decor this year. Yes, I changed my mind. The sugar and creamer, they go with this teapot, so I wanted them to go along with it. But the creamer set was thrifted. I found that, looked up on that at Goodwill, and the teapot, he was off of eBay years ago. The coffee cups, they all were off of eBay. And I really like that snowman, the coffee cups, and you'll see later on. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.